Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable Chime on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on the settings icon. Scroll down the settings page and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page. Keep scrolling until you get to Chime. Then click on that. Then turn on Chime. Once you turn on Chime, should feel an haptic on your Apple Watch. Then should say to schedule the chime, click on schedule and how often you want the chime to play. If you want it hourly, select hour. If you want it every 30 minutes, select 30 minutes. And if you want it every 15 minutes, select 15 minutes. By default, this is set to hourly. Then hit the power button. Now, if you want to change the chime sound, come here and click on sound. Then select either bird or bells. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to enable chimes on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.